وصلنا ببلجيكا. قطعنا بعد ما نغطخطة ما شفنا شي.
This is a small country that has a lot to offer.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared.
After checking into the parking by Radisson in Brussels,
Right now, I don't know if
we went for a hunt for breakfast.
where the ground
We needed a quick one, so we ended up in an American coffee shop.
I hope I'll see you on the
How beautiful it is when two best friends meet again. Yumna joined the gang.
I'll be paying for the ride.
We traveled for 100 kilometers to reach the birthplace of the inventor of the sax, Adolphe Sax. Charles de Gaulle was hit on this bridge in 1914 when he was just a lieutenant. We visited the Collégiale Notre-Dame de Dinant with its iconic fair-shaped bell tower. It is a Gothic cathedral that replaced a Romanesque church which collapsed in 1228. And to understand what happened in August 1914, we had to go up to the citadel.
Tell you now the sun dies out. 'Cause I can only give you my heart.
Inside, a very interactive museum that explains how the Germans conquered this village during the Great War, burning and sacking it when they defeated the French troops defending it.
I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole. Sing for my
On the top, you get the best view of Dinant.
black hole to make myself whole again.
You also get to experience a live war scene.
Can't give you my love. No, I'm
As well as have fun in the inclined room.
can't give you my love. I'll give you my love into the black hole.
We went down to a restaurant next to the Meuse River to have lunch/dinner. We had Belgian beer, a huge chunk of jambon and Belgian fries before celebrating Yumna's birthday. We all heard about the enchanting city of Bruges at some point of our lives.
And you resonate inside my bones. Don't know why I'm incapable.
The city is very renowned for its handmade crochet.
Some big black clouds. The unavoidable is raining down. I'm fading out.
And of course, the chocolate.
When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned.
Marzipan and nougat.
Follow you into the sun. Shoot a race like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
We visited chez Albert, who based on many reviews, had the best Liege waffles.
I was so lost, like a vagabond with no home, moving on into the wilderness.
Next to the city hall, we found the Basilica of the Holy Blood.
Echo faith. While the time was running out for me, there's no escape from the mess I made. But when you come, everything just turns around. I get
who assisted the veneration ceremony of the phial claimed to contain a cloth with Christ's blood.
Shooting rays like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
We had to check the not so perfectly straight 83 meters high belfry at the marketplace. Now, this is truly a marvelous bar called To Be Beer Wall. Checking the beer wall made of authentic beer bottles, make sure to check the Bande Dessinée store. Did you know that Tintin, Gaston, Bucolique, Les Schtroumpfs, and Marsupilami are all created by Belgian authors? Well, I didn't before visiting Bruges.
When you come, everything just turns around. I get stunned by your drum. I follow you into the sun. Shooting rays like a shotgun. You gotta be my someone.
This Belgian adventure isn't finished. Make sure to watch episode 2.